Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 6 Best Smart Door Lock.
Top 1.
Schoolage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt with Century trim in matte black. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to lock-unlock from anywhere, no additional accessories required. Pair with the Schoolage Home app or Key by Amazon app to create and manage up to 100 access codes for trusted friends and family for recurring, temporary or permanent access. Works with Alexa. Check the status of your lock and lock-unlock your door. In addition, Alexa will let you know when your battery is running low or set up smart reorders through Amazon-replenishment so you always have replacement batteries when needed. Fingerprint resistant, capacitive touchscreen with easy one-touch locking. Optional voice control offers hands-free convenience when using voice-enabled products. Built-in alarm technology senses potential security breaches at the lock, while the low battery indicator offers advanced warning for battery replacement. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Unique snap and stay technology snaps the deadbolt onto the door so both hands are free during installation.
Top 2.
Lockly Secure Pro Bluetooth Fingerprint Wi-Fi Keyless Entry Smart Door Lock, PGD728W, patented keypad 3D fingerprint reader, iOS and Android compatible, Deadbolt, Satin nickel. Your finger is your key. Unlock your door using the built-in advanced 3D fingerprint sensor. Unlike other smart locks, Lockly only uses high-quality capacitive fingerprint sensors which only recognizes fingerprints, unlike less secure optical readers. Stores up to 99 unique fingerprints. Peek-proof digital keypad, patented PIN Genie technology makes it nearly impossible to guess your personal access code, even if someone is watching, when entering your PIN number by always shuffling number locations on the secure, backlit keypad. Convenience, Wi-Fi hub included, lock and unlock your home, office, or rental property door all from the convenience of your iOS or Android smartphone via secure Bluetooth connection or Wi-Fi anywhere in the world. Includes 2 backup physical keys for peace of mind. Know who is coming and going, stores all access history so you can review who is coming and going anytime from your mobile phone. Great for keeping track of family members as they arrive home. Grant one-time use or specific time duration access by issuing codes or digital e-keys remotely via your mobile phone. Guests can access using their mobile phone, even without an internet or cellular connection.
Top 3.
August Wi-Fi, 4th generation, smart lock fits your existing deadbolt in minutes, matte black. A key that works everywhere. Lock the front door and unlock it from anywhere. Connected right out of the box. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock requires no additional bridge to connect to Wi-Fi, so you get full voice and remote access functionality without the fuss. Requires 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Upgrade your existing lock. Easily attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door, so you can continue to use your existing keys. Never fumble for your keys again. Auto unlock detects when you arrive and unlocks the door. Enable auto lock to lock when the door closes. Send secure keys to friends, family, or people you trust instantly, all from the August app. Cancel access anytime.
Top 4.
Lockly Bluetooth Keyless Fingerprint Smart Lock, PGD628F, Advanced LED Touchscreen Panel Discrete Pin Code Input iOS Android Auto Lock designed for latch door, VenetianBronze. Keyless entry and convenience, lock and unlock your door with one finger tap on your smartphones via Bluetooth, by entering a 6 to 8 digit access code on the touchscreen keypad or your fingerprint. This door lock also comes with 2 backup physical keys in case you ever need. Secured keyless access convenience for your offices, home, or rental properties. Highly secure smart lock, the world's first patented peek-proof smart door lock. The unique algorithm reshuffles numbers after each use and prevents others from copying your smart code, keeping your home safe. Touchscreen keypad will be disabled after 3 wrong attempts and can only be activated by entering the right code twice. Auto lock and one-touch locking system provide enhanced security when you are at home or out. Family sharing with eKeys, each family member could get their own smart code for keyless entry. Lockly is designed to make home security a top priority and to give you peace of mind. Track as soon as your kids or family members are home when you download the history. Grant access to guests and others by sharing eKeys with unique schedules using the free Lockly Smart Lock app.
Top 5.
Yale Assure Lock SL with Zigbee, Smart Key Free Touchscreen Keypad Deadbolt, works with Xfinity Home, Amazon Echo Show, Amazon Echo Plus and more. Bronze. Slimmest touchscreen deadbolt on the market from the #1 smart lock brand in 2017, voted by CE Pro. Works directly with Echo Plus, no hub required, so you can lock and unlock by asking Alexa. Unlock using by entering your unique PIN code on the backlid. Touchscreen keypad lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad or by enabling auto relock. 100% key-free means the lock is tamper-proof, so it's safer than traditional deadbolts. You'll never need to worry about getting locked out due to dead batteries, since there is a 9V terminal located below the keypad for temporary charging. Works with Zigbee smart home and alarm systems including Xfinity Home, Samsung SmartThings, and Iris.Face for DIMMs, to 1,8 inch.
Top 6.
Yale Assure Lock SL with Zigbee, Smart Key Free Touchscreen Keypad Deadbolt, works with Xfinity Home, Amazon Echo Show, Amazon Echo Plus and more, bronze. Slimmest touchscreen deadbolt on the market from the #1 smart lock brand in 2017, voted by CE Pro. Works directly with Echo Plus, no hub required, so you can lock and unlock by asking Alexa. Unlock using by entering your unique PIN code on the back lid. Touchscreen keypad lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad or by enabling auto relock. 100% key-free means the lock is tamper-proof, so it's safer than traditional deadbolts. You'll never need to worry about getting locked out due to dead batteries, since there is a 9B terminal located below the keypad for temporary charging. Works with Zigbee smart home and alarm systems including Xfinity Home, Samsung SmartThings, and Iris.Face or DIMMs, to 1,8 inch.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.